Well, what do we have here, guys? I want to call these two alpha males of their species. And of course, this is controversially the top of the line Panigale V4, even though the Lamborghini is out. And I'm going to tell you in a second why. But this is, until the Superleggera comes out, this will be your top of the line Panigale V4 that you could get. And this one right here started off as a base model, but now it's a perfect example of an alpha male of a Panigale V4. But let's talk about this beauty over here, the Italia, the Tricolore Italia. So this is 650's very own Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. Of course, it's come a long way from just being a Tricolore Italia. And let's go over some of the parts on it. So I'm going to mention one part right away. That's an OEM part, is your front calipers. These are the GP4 MS calipers, and these are the T-Drive Pro rotors. The rotors you can't get in aftermarket, but these you can get in aftermarket, and that's why you'll see it on our Panigale V4 over there. It comes with a dry clutch, has the Evotech radiator and oil cooler guards. Of course, you have your Rizoma mirrors, which are the Aero Wing mirrors. They open up like this. And also don't forget, now you have this adjustment on them as well. This being a Tricolore Italia, we didn't touch the windshield, but you'll see we did a lot of blue accents on it, like this Rizoma reservoirs and other blue pieces across. And take a look at this dash right here, the cockpit as Ebe calls it, all carbon fiber. Of course, these didn't come stock on the bike. We added them. They're all full 6 carbon pieces. It fits pretty much every other Panigale V4, including the Lamborghini, because they do not have these carbon accents on it. And these blue accents right here, this really makes it for me for this bike, because blue is not a traditional color for a Ducati. We added those. And right here we have our frame covers as well. That's one piece with your side piece that's here. That makes it nice and integrated. Of course, the dry clutch, that is standard on this bike. We put the carbon cover that it comes with. Also your rear sets that are the factory rear sets on it. It comes with a factory swing arms cover, that's carbon fiber. Again, the blue touches and the red, that's all aftermarket with our lightweight rotors. The Krapovic race exhaust is pretty much a must on this motorcycle because it is the top of the line exhaust. And if you swing around over here, you'll see all of our chain and sprocket setup. That is Sitta. That is, again, the top of the line setup with our DBK cover right here and our timing inspection cover as well. So let's get to that statement that I made, calling this the top of the line Panigale V4 until the Superleggera comes out. Well, I understand the Lamborghini is a Lamborghini, it's carbon fiber, but don't forget, it doesn't have these wheels on it. It doesn't come with the carbon wheels. I don't think it comes with a dry clutch. You could correct me if I'm wrong. And also, this $10,000 braking system that we showed you, the GP4 MS calipers with the T-Drive Pro rotors, do not come on the Lamborghini. So let's take a look at the other alpha male right here. So this is so different from the Tricolore Italia because we don't have a paint scheme on it, but we've made use of the two-tone, the Ducati red and carbon fiber to give it some sort of a character, a design. All of the pieces you see are gloss carbon fiber, most of them all from Full Sig. And it has everything, guys. It has upper triple, Öhlins suspension, that is the aftermarket Öhlins suspension. Pretty much nothing you see in the front of the bike in terms of the mechanicals other than the frame is stock. Everything you see has been changed over here. It has our signature Rizoma reservoirs, the way that we mount it. We drill and tap this upper triple to make it all clean and beautiful. And it's all about the experience, guys, especially with these Ducatis. We have our Rizoma mirrors here too. And down there, you'll see we have our GP4 MS calipers, nice and shiny, and our TWM axle sliders, and of course this BSD wheel. So BSD does make the Italia's wheels as well, but these are the aftermarket wheels that BSD's come out with. If you continue on to the back, you see loads of carbon fiber everywhere. The Gillies tooling rear sets, all black accents, carbon fiber swing arm covers, and I think it ties everything together really nicely. And one thing I want to show you, Tricolore Italia comes with a special seat, but this is the Ducati Performance seat that I think it makes it a little more premium. And around it, this carbon fiber piece often gets overlooked because this is all red on the bike. And I love the fact that it gives it a two-tone of carbon and red in the tail. So you have that red Ducati essence. And also the exhaust system that's on this bike. That has the race exhaust system, and this has the Krapovic slip-ons. We think if you're gonna go with the Krapovic, this is your bang for the buck exhaust system. It gets rid of all the restrictions in your exhaust, yet it doesn't have that $10,000 price tag. For the windshield, we have our WRS windshield as well. It's a tall windscreen, very similar to the design that you see on the Italia. Pretty much this started off, not pretty much, it did start off as a base bike, and we did load it up to this level. Of course, there's gonna be a lot more carbon fiber products coming. Now, I don't know if you caught this. This is a carbon piece that we had it wrapped to match the paint scheme too, so give it that layer. This has a paint scheme so you could see it, but when they're just flat colored, it kind of gets lost. And I really like the fact that we did this, that it kind of gave it that sense of depth on the bike. This is pretty much, as I mentioned, the alphas of their species, guys. And these bikes are just absolutely gorgeous. It goes to show you that it could be very similar bikes that we have, but just what you do to them can make him look so different and have such a different character. And as always, guys, I want to remind you that we sell motorcycle parts. All the products that you see on these bikes will be in the link in the description below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.